Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Simpson Trump token. Now this token is live for pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They have a couple hours left of this pre-sale. They're already way past their soft cap. They're doing very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Simpson Trump token. So Simpson Trump, get ready to say woohoo to the fun and games with Simpson Trump coin, the meme coin that's taking the crypto world by storm. This is a meme token on the Binance Smart Chain with a 1,000 times mission. You get 4% reflections in USDT, no team tokens, renounced ownership right after launch, base dev with $10 million market cap experience, coin market cap fast track, a lot of marketing ahead, 1 million market cap minimum. So they set their soft cap low for this pre-sale here at 5 BNB, and they've already sold 39.8 BNB to 162 different investors. So they're doing very well. There's about 4 hours left of this pre-sale. By the time I upload this video, there'll still be 3 hours left of this pre-sale or more. So if you're a subscriber, you'll see this video in time. You'll be able to go check this token out on pre-sale at pinksale.finance. If not, if you missed this video, first of all, hit subscribe. But second of all, you'll be able to get this token shortly after the pre-sale's over on PancakeSwap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Simpson Trump token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, simpsontrump.com. S-Trump is the ticker symbol for this token. Simpson space Trump is the name of the token. And yeah, you'll have to set slippage somewhere around 10% because there is 10% taxes. Now, like I said, 4% of those taxes are reflections in USDT. Let's see here. Liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap also for 180 days. So it's a low market cap project initially here. Initial market cap estimate right now is $18,411. There is 9 decimal places on this token. They do have a full audit you could check out. They were audited by Fresh Coins, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They have a Twitter at Simpson Trump BSC. Just joined in May 2023. 5 tweets so far. 2,113 followers. So they're doing pretty well there. And same with their Telegram at Simpson Trump. Real easy to find. 2,367 Telegram members. So Simpson Trump, get ready to say woohoo. So yeah, 10% taxes, partners with DexView, Dex Screener, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Dex Tools, and PinkSale. So it says, are you tired for looking for boring old coins that don't take themselves too seriously? Look no further than Simpson Trump, the meme coin that's here to bring you laughs and the games. Just the lovable, bumbling character himself, Simpson Trump coin is all about having fun. We're not just here to revolutionize the world of crypto. We're here to make it a little more entertaining, and with a unique take on meme coin trending, we're here to do just that. So it says they have a Twitter AI bot coming soon. So the Simpson Trump chat bot will be fully integrated into Twitter as the user of the platform with its own handle, Twitter users will have free access to our chat bot and interact seamlessly. The Simpson Trump chat bot will be available to provide 100% accurate answers to provided questions by the Twitter users at a superhuman level. The AI bot is programmed to constantly learn from its human users and become smarter every time it's interacted with. They're also going to have a Telegram AI bot, and that will be coming soon. So the Simpson Trump chat bot will be fully integrated into Telegram as a standalone bot that can be added to a Telegram group or channel by an admin, group server members, or users, and they'll have unlimited access to our chat bot and interact seamlessly, but we'll have an option to upgrade plans to be able to access premium features. So the Simpson Trump chat bot will provide 100% accurate answers to questions on Telegram at a superhuman level as well. So why would you choose us? Well, they have high rewards, it says. Every Simpson Trump community member will be getting great value from the token as they hold, as holders will be benefiting greatly from the strong marketing push made by the team. Safe investment, liquidity locked automatically by Pink Sale for 180 days. There's no unlocked tokens or team tokens. This ensures that there is maximum security put in place for the investors project, and the project is audited. Low transaction fees. So transactions are 10%. This applies to both buying and selling. And there is a tax breakdown that you can view on the page. And experienced teams. So the team is made up of experienced members, and they've already had successful projects. So the taxes. So like I said, 4% of the taxes are reflections in USDT, so you get rewards. 4% goes to marketing and 2% burning. So this makes it a deflationary token as well. So if you like USDT reflections and the token becoming more scarce, then that's a good thing, because that's what the taxes are for. Now on their roadmap here, they're starting with stage 1 is team assembly, identification of problems, website and social setup, Simpson token pre-sale, pre-launch awareness creation, successful launch on a decentralized exchange, and then stage 2, listing of the Simpson token on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and Nomics, market analysis, awareness creation, programming and coding of the AI bot, an AI trading bot on mainnet and major central exchanges. Stage 3, framework setup of different apps and OS, release of the AI bot on Telegram and Discord, influencers shoutout on Twitter and YouTube. And stage 4, massive marketing campaign. Then we got billboards, ads, influencer partnerships, more central exchange listings, and beyond. So check them out, Telegram, Twitter. They have a contact email at the bottom of their page. SimpsonTrump.com is their official webpage. As always, I have the Twitter posted in the corner of the video up here for you guys to check it out. Couple hours left on this pre-sale on Pink Sale, and then this token will go over to PancakeSwap shortly after that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.